lovelies. Today I'm bringing you a review and first impressions of Korea's #1 best-selling skincare brand, Chalons de Paris. Luxury Kbeauty? Yes, please. Stay tuned. All right, beauties. So the first product that we are going to be using is the Kashan de Lunar Cushion Foundation. It comes in this amazing aqua green packaging with gold lettering. It has the little Chalons de Paris sticker closing the box. The compact itself is really glossy, really bougie. It's really heavy and luxurious feeling. Kbeauty's strong suit definitely is not their shade range with any Kbeauty brand that I personally have ever used, and Chalons de Paris is no exception. This Kashan de Lunar Cushion Foundation is available in 2 shades, 21, which is a shade I'm showing you here, and that is light, and the shade 23, which is the shade that I use on a regular basis, and this is considered dark. Now the Kashan de Lunar has an SPF of 50 plus. It retails for $39.80, which is right on point, right on target with a good quality cushion foundation. Right now they are offering a $10 discount on the Chalons de Paris website, so it's only $29.80. Now if you want extra puffs or you feel like you need to purchase another puff, they do have the Kashan de Lunar puffs for sale in a 4-pack for $8, so that's awesome. Now this cream I'm showing you here is the All Kill Cream. It is a full coverage BB cream. It is considered a BB foundation cream. It's extremely full coverage. It has an SPF of 50 plus, which is pretty common with all of their products, and it retails for $33.95 when you can find it in stock. Now obviously this is extremely light for me, but I will show you what I use that cream for a bit later. Now a quick introduction to the star of the show, the skincare. This pink mask is the Mask de Albarosa, which is great for melasma and dark spots. This teal is the Mask de Aurora, which is great for skin rejuvenating. This blue is the Mask de Stella, which is more targeted for pores and pore care. If you have enlarged pores, you need pore refining, this would be the mask you go to. The yellow is the Mask de Aqua. The Mask de Aqua is for dry and oily skin. It has ingredients to help target both of those skincare issues, which I think is amazing. And this purple is the Mask de Memoria, and it is targeted for wrinkle care for aging skin. Now that we've talked a little quick introduction to the face mask, we're going to move on, and I'm going to show you the application of the face products that I showed you a bit earlier, and we're going to talk more in detail about some of the price points and ingredients. Now, as you can see, the Kashan de Lunar foundation is a lighter coverage foundation. It's not super sheer, it definitely has coverage, but I have found when you layer this foundation, it does not settle into fine lines. It does not look cakey, so that is a definite plus. Now, the All Kill Full HD Cream that I talked about earlier, use that for brightening and for extra coverage in certain areas. Here you can see that I'm applying it just as I would a concealer, and I found when I set it, it honestly, my skin looks amazing when I do this routine. Now, it definitely is not a cake face per se. So if you're used to super full coverage, this probably would not be for you. This is just the routine that works best for me. By using Chalons de Paris and some more excellent skincare, I've been able to get my skin together. I got my rosacea managed, and this is what works for me. And here I'm setting it with my Becca powder. Now you definitely will see a color difference, but this is just, once again, this is just what works for me. With the foundation and the creams products being just a little bit lighter, I use this powder, and honestly this is the only thing I can use this powder for. And I just set my face, it just meshes all together. Here I'm going to set it with my e.l.f. Glow Dewy Mist, which is my new favorite. It is a great dupe for another product that I'm going to be sharing later on in the week. So if you want to save a little coin, stay tuned for that. And I'm going to set it, and basically I'm going to forget it. It's a super easy routine if you deal with not wanting to have a super thick base, but you want coverage, you want to look glowy. This is definitely a recommendation that I have if you can work with the shades they have available. Okay, so what do I think about this brand? Honestly, I think Chalons de Paris is a great brand. It has a lot of amazing skincare benefits with their products. They don't offer eyeshadows or mascaras, anything like that. A lot of their products are focused on and based around skincare. They have used a lot of natural ingredients. They use coconut, lavender, oatmeal, cotton, and they trust science. They're not much about marketing and advertising. And the whole brand is focused around French luxury skincare. So if you want to learn more, go to their website, chalonsdeparis.com. They are having a 30% summer, like end of summer sale right now. So you'll be able to snatch up some great deals for what they have in stock. Thank you so much for joining me today, beauties. I hope you had a great time, and I'll see you next time. Until then, love yourself. Bye-bye.